With Google Built-in, you can access some of your favorite Google apps and services, including Google Maps, which gives you a personalized Google experience that seamlessly transitions into your vehicle. If your vehicle comes with Google Built-in, you will see the Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play icons on the center display. Google Maps requires a paid service plan or free trial. A personal Google account is not required, but for a more personalized experience, including downloading apps on Google Play, checking your Google Calendar, and more, you will need to sign in. With Google Maps, you can reach your destination faster thanks to real-time traffic and event updates, automatic rerouting, and voice control capabilities. To get the most out of Google Maps, try its personalized routes that update based on your schedule and driving habits. Or, if equipped, go hands-free with Super Cruise driver assistance technology compatible routing options. If you drive an EV, Google Maps manages your routing options based on your current battery charge and preferred charging stations. You can search for charging stations along your planned route, precondition your battery for optimized charging speeds, and even see your estimated battery charge state at arrival. With Google Maps and Cadillac, it's never been easier to arrive on time and in style.